Hello and welcome back to the next iteration of our Not Your Mama's Training series on how to use LinkedIn to grow your MLM business. My name is Eddie Smith. I am your host and trainer, and I want to welcome you to part 4 of our training. Today, our focus is on your profile. All right? We are going to talk about how your LinkedIn profile should be set up. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile for network marketers. That's what we are going to do today. Understand, first impressions are key to your success, and your profile is the gateway. You want to make sure everything in your profile says, I'm professional, I'm here for business, I know what I'm doing, you need to work with me. That's the key. Understand that people will check out your profile. Whenever you connect with someone, the first thing they're going to do is click on your little picture and go to your profile to see what you are all about. You will be judged. Understand, make no mistake, you will be judged based on what they see. People go expecting a certain thing, and if your profile doesn't project that image, they're going to run away screaming. Just so you know, everything on your profile from head to toe should project professionalism and I know what I'm doing. Plain and simple. Everything from the image to the words to stuff you post. It all wants to say the same message. I am who you want to be with, who you want to connect with, who you want to work with. So it's all about having the right profile picture and a professional looking banner that has, certain key elements. You want to be able to project in your banner, this is what I can offer you. That's kind of what it is, because most people use LinkedIn in the wrong way when it comes to building a network marketing business. You are not there for a job. You are there to make connections and basically screen, interview potential business partners. That's what your role is as a network marketer using LinkedIn. So understand that, and when you set things up, make sure you set it up in that manner. Professional content is key. It's very, very important. We're not here on LinkedIn to check out the latest viral cat video or what your grandmama did or what your baby did. We are on LinkedIn for business. People come to LinkedIn either to refer business or to seek opportunities for themselves. They're not there for the other social aspect of it. LinkedIn is a professional platform, and you need to make sure everything you do, everything you say represents that. Now, there are certain things that you can do on LinkedIn to project that image, all right? Understand, we are not looking for a job on LinkedIn. We are using LinkedIn as more of an extension of our sales platform. It's part of our sales funnel. We are basically projecting to the world what we can offer them. It's all about them. It's not about you. So your headline, your taglines, everything, when you write it so that it's about your target market, not about yourself. Contrary to what you would think intuitively on LinkedIn, we are using it as an extension of our sales platform. Same goes with your summary. The summary gives your audience an idea of what you can do for them, not necessarily to brag about yourself and what my history is. Because most people try to sell themselves on LinkedIn, when in reality, what you should be saying is, here's what I have to offer for you. And that's what we do in our industry, as MLM leaders. Okay? Your experience section is used to show prospects why they should work with you. Plain and simple. You need to say, I know what I'm doing. I'm here to help you get to where you want to be. You need to lock arms with me, and let's take this walk together. That's what your experience section should be all about. It's kind of one of those things of, if you project the right image, people will be drawn to you. You are not there to chase. You are there to have people come to you. All right? So let's just jump on LinkedIn real quick, and I'll show you my profile just so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay? So some of the key elements we talked about, the banner. My banner here, it shows a professional image, and it says, what I'm delivering or what I'm giving to the audience. Okay? Professional looking picture. You want your profile to kind of stand out, so there's certain things you can do to make it stand out. And, when you talk about all your stuff, it's not about you, it's about them. So when you talk about experience, You know, I'm telling them what I have to offer them. It's not about me and my history. It's about what I have to offer. Education the same way. I'm kind of telling what I have to offer. Everything you do on LinkedIn has to project a certain image, and that's an image of professionalism. Plain and simple. When people come here, they say, okay, this guy kind of knows what he's talking about. Maybe I should listen. And it causes them to want to dive deeper and want to get to know me, connect with me, and then work with me potentially, if I allow them to. Because again, like we talked about in the last training, we are screening. We're not just working with anybody. We only want certain types of individuals, okay? So, there you go. It's kind of a quick overview. You can do certain things to make your profile stand out. That's it. Project a professional image. All right? So, what's coming up next? We're going to talk about how to find people on LinkedIn. Where are they? How do we get in touch with them? That's the key thing we're going to talk about next. Now, having said that, I will say this. This is the tip of the iceberg. Again, I'm just kind of giving you what to do. I'm not really getting into the how to do it. There's more in-depth training, and I want to keep these videos short, so I don't have enough time to get into the nitty-gritty. However, everything that I'm showing you, you can learn from an in-depth course, and you can get information for it. If you're watching this on YouTube, there'll be a link below. If you're already part of this 7-day training series, there'll be a button below to kind of point you in the right direction, okay? So check it out, and we'll go from there, and you can get the step-by-step on how to do all the stuff that I just showed you need to do, all right? There it is. So we will talk with you later. You all have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Part 5.